Hooray, we got another parcel. Yeah, so another unboxing. I'll cut this open again with the tiny scissors. Fuck. You can probably see what it is one side. Oh my god, it's cooler. I'm putting it upside down. Okay, oh my god. I am being real careful with this one. Like, really careful. Oh my god, yes. It's beautiful. It's more beautiful than ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not going to show this on camera. I'm just going to look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look at this. It's nice. Oh, cool. Oh my god. Here it is. It's Tomy Mighty Mash. It's got the faces the wrong way around, but that's because you can do that. It's like, he be bouncing. Oh, that's so cool. But that's not all I got. I also got, wait for it, the power coach that comes with it. So yeah, we'll do, I'll do a running session after I filled the coach up with batteries. See, that's how you open it, right there, the screw. Let's look at those traction tires, baby. Oh, they're both so nice. He's gonna grip well. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.